Today we'll make suji or semolina idlis with a little twist, as we'll be adding chopped beetroot into it. So for making it, I have just mixed semolina, that is suji, in curd, 1 cup of curd, and kept it for half an hour so that the suji gets mixed properly. And in this mixture I will add all this cut or chopped beetroot and we'll mix it. Just add a little bit of salt into it, and finally I'll add, this is Eno powder. We'll just add this, mix it quickly, and add and sprinkle a little water on top of it. That's it. We'll just mix it once or twice, and that's it. We'll take these idli stands which I have greased with oil. I will put this mixture into this pan to make our idlis. Now we'll just put this idli stand into our pressure cooker or the idli cooker, and we'll just put it for steaming for just 5 minutes. So our semolina beetroot idli are ready to serve. Isn't it looking really nice with these beetroot droplets inside the idli? Cook it and let me have your reviews. Thank you.